cooking. And today we're going to make something that's super simple, tasty, makes a nice side dish for Thanksgiving too. Parsnips. You can do parsnips a lot of ways. I've added them with butternut squash, they're good with carrots, but they're good on their own. So I'm just going to parboil these up today and then finish them off in my cast iron, and where they brown up really nice and get all that nice sweetness, almost like being candy. So let's do some parsnips. I'm just cutting these up like this to parboil them so they cook nicer and easier when I finally transfer them to the cast iron skillet. And then they'll candy up real nice. These are so delicious. It's such a simple vegetable, but I love them. And like I said, they're nice and sweet. So, or they should be. They shouldn't be pithy. If you look at them, they shouldn't be pithy here. They should be nice and solid like this, just like turnips. You don't want pithy turnips either. So we'll just finish these up, and then I'm going to add it to my salted boiling water. We'll parboil them for about 8 minutes, and that should give them all ready to go in the cast iron to finish off. By the way, you hadn't noticed, that's a Pampered Chef knife. I love these things. These knives have held up so well. They are so sharp. Yes, I sell the stuff, but the whole reason I have it is because they really work. And I've added my parsnips in here to boil for about 8 minutes. And then we'll take them off and finishing them up and let them caramelize in the cast iron. These are done. I'm going to drain them off, and we're going to get them finished up in the cast iron. Throwing a little butter into my cast iron. And then we're just going to let these caramelize up in this butter. There's natural sugars, and make them all yummy. Yummier. They're done. Parsnips are done. You can see how they've got nice gold color on them, and they're all tender. These are so good, so sweet. These are good with a little brown sugar, a little cinnamon, just like you would butternut squash or carrots or whatever. They're good in soups. Like I said, pair them with turnips or butternut squash or sweet potatoes or yams. They're delicious. So if you haven't given parsnips a shot, give them a shot. They're totally worth it, and they make a great side dish for Thanksgiving.